Alright guys, welcome. I'm going to do a review on, you see my paper, Golden Beige, Club Gold, Desert Moss, Eraser Blue, Vapormaxes. Like that little extra. I'm reviewing them unworn, brand new. Usually I review shoes when they're popped or when something's wrong with them. So let's get into it. This is a box that comes in like all standard Vapormaxes. So these were $200. Alright, there we go. Beautiful, look at that. Gorgeous. Taking a minute to adjust. Okay. We gotta make sure first thing, are they popped? No, they're not. Beautiful. Okay, let's take a look at them. So that's all it comes with. Sometimes you get shoes that, you know, they have different color laces, but let's see. Let's look at it. So you got the blue Nike. This is like a black, well, it is black, a black air bubble. Got the orange plastic thingy for more support. Okay. What color is gonna be the inside, blue or orange? Let's see. I'm thinking orange. Yep. Orange. Okay. Let me pull a screenshot. Alright, so I brought the shoes outside. As you can see, this is how they look with the sun hitting them. They're kind of clear from angles, like from this angle over here. You can definitely see inside the air bubble. Alright, so I'm gonna put these on. And I'm gonna show you how they look on the feet. Okay, so this is what they look like on the feet from a point of view. And then I am wearing orange socks over here, so you can see how they look. You guys let me know what looks better. Orange socks, I'm thinking low cut socks, Vapormaxes look a lot better than the orange, although the orange does match. But there they are, guys. Let me put the phone on the floor so you guys can get a good understanding.